Hello everyone. So today we are going to do the next questions of exercise 4.3, that is question number 3 and question number 4. The procedure is similar to the questions we have done, but there is a little difference. Variable is on the right side, so we can take it to the left side and then we can solve. Otherwise there are brackets and you need to open the brackets first. So let us see. There are total 5 parts in the question. I am starting with the question 3 part B here. Part A you people can solve. Part B was having a negative sign extra, so I am taking that part to solve. Then I will solve part C and part E. Other 2 parts you people will try yourself, and from question 4 I'll solve 1 part. So let us begin. This is question number 3 part B. The procedure is same as we did earlier, as I told you. So first, whenever there is a bracket and some number is outside or any term is outside, so you need to multiply. In case there is no sign between, there wasn't any sign, it means those are multiplying. So we'll multiply 5 with the p first, then we'll multiply 5 with minus 2. 5 into p, 5p, 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Now as I've written or here, it means that we can change the sides of the equation so that your equation remains the same, but it makes easier to you to solve. So you can take your whole right side to the left, you can write your whole left side to the right. This and this doesn't make any difference, these all are, both are the same equation. So now we can move 10 to other side. This was negative, it will be positive. 10 minus 4 is 6, so 5 p is equals to 6. P is 6 upon 5, because it was multiplying, it will be dividing over here. Similarly, your next part C, there was a 4 plus 3 to t plus 2. Now you people are supposing that why ma'am hasn't added 4 plus 3. Why? Because whenever there is a sign of multiplication, that whole term is called a single term. This is the single term here, till the time those are not separated by the positive sign, positive or negative sign. Fine. So first we will open the bracket. In case something is there to multiply, then you will add the number, extra number that is given to you. In case you people are adding them first, that will be the wrong. So 3 into t is 3t, 3 into 2 is 6. Now you can add the 6 into 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So now I have again interchanged the sides over here. 10 will be moved, it will become a negative number. 3t is equals to 6, so t value is 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Now what I did here, I changed the signs in the beginning. Side मैंने beginning में ही change कर ली. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. You can do like that also. You can do like this also. In the beginning, I've changed the sign side. Why? Because I need variable to the left side for making the solution easier. To the right side also it is easy, but to the left side you people are habitual. That's why I'm doing that. Again here multiplying 4 with the bracket. Turn by turn, 4 into m is 4m, 4 into 6 is minus 24, 16 minus 24 is minus 8. जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं आप उनको कंबाइन कर दोगे, नहीं तो आपको 2 बार मूव करके उनको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. So now moving 8 to the other side, 0 plus 8, 4m is equals to 0 plus 8, 4m is equals to 8, so m is 8 divided by 4, that is 2. That were the 3 parts of question number 3. Now question number 4 is a little different. Construct 3 equations starting with this. Construct 3 equations starting with this. Starting means value of variable should be this. You can construct any 3 equations. So what I did, I've taken x is equals to 2. First I added 1 to the both sides. My equation becomes this. Then again I have taken x is equals to 2. Then I subtracted 1 from both the sides. My equation becomes this. Then I multiplied 3 to both the sides and my equation becomes this. Now in this question, it's your wish what you want to do. You want to add something, you want to subtract something, you want to multiply, you want to divide. But you need to remember, whatever you are going to do, you need to do to the both sides, so that you get an expression on the left side or right side, and that will give you an equation. Fine. It is very easy. Don't take any burden over here. I have added 1, you can add 5, you can add 6. You can make 3 equations by adding only. Add 1 here, add 2 here, add 3 here. That also 3 will be your equations. Fine. So any 3 equations you have to make in question number 4. Now you can solve your questions. Thank you.